Empower and Varo both help people manage their money, but they are built for different needs. Empower focuses on financial tools and cash advances, while Varo operates as a digital banking platform. By the end, you'll know how Empower and Varo compare, what each service is designed for, and which option may work better depending on your financial goals. The biggest difference is the type of service you are getting. Empower is designed around money management tools and access to cash advances for eligible users. Varo is built around digital banking, including features for managing everyday spending and account activity. If you want help understanding your finances and accessing tools that support money management, Empower may be the type of app you want to compare. The app is focused on helping users track and manage their financial situation. Varo works more like a traditional bank experience through a mobile app. It provides banking services that allow users to manage their money digitally without using a traditional branch. The better choice depends on what you need. If you are looking for banking features, compare Varo's account options, money management features, and how they fit with your daily spending. If you are looking for financial tools and possible cash advance access, compare what Empower offers. Another difference is how you interact with each service. With Varo, the focus is managing an account and everyday transactions. With Empower, the focus is more on financial insights and tools designed to help users manage their money. Costs and eligibility can also be different. Some features may depend on your account status, qualifications, or the plan available to you. Always check the latest details shown inside each app before signing up. Your credit situation and financial goals can also affect which option makes more sense. A banking app and a financial management app solve different problems, so the best choice is the one that matches what you are trying to accomplish. Before choosing, compare available features, account requirements, fees, and any terms connected to cash access or banking services. To summarize, Empower is focused on financial management tools and cash advance features, while Varo is focused on digital banking. Choose based on whether you need money management support or a banking account. Review the current features and terms before making a decision. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.